Her flight was canceled. The last train to Seoul left in 38 minutes. She almost did not make it.
5 story words. Train, platform, canceled, Halmoni, connected. And one journey I will never forget. Stay! 38 minutes. Platform 3. Platform 3. Where is platform 3? Where is it? Ah! There, the sign, platform 3. Please, please let the train still be there. Seoul, I need Seoul, last train. How do I cannot find it. Can you help me, please?
Seoul here, last KTX, platform 3. You have time. Hurry, but you have time.
I can see it. The train. It is still there. Please wait. Please wait. I am on the train. Oh, thank goodness. Row 12, seat B. This is me. Okay. I am here. I am safe. I made the train. Oh, hello. 안녕하세요. I think this is my seat.
12B.
앉으세요. Sorry about that. The bag is heavy. I packed too much.
I always pack too much.
She does not speak Korean, she speaks English.
자, 드세요.
Oh, for me? Really? Thank you. 감사합니다. Is that right? Did I say it right? She smiled. I said 감사합니다 and she smiled.
I think that means...
Yes, I said it right? And sesame. It is hard at first, then it is soft inside. 맛있어요?
Is that good, Sasa?
맛있어요.
Hey, you said mashisio. That means delicious. Pretty good. Heard from here. Do you need help?
Oh, you speak English.
Please. I have no idea what she is saying, but she seems so kind. I am Jinho, university student. Going back to Seoul. I can translate.
What do you want to say, City Halmoni? Thank you for the sweet.
And sorry for not knowing Korean.
And she seems very kind.
She says she knew you were kind. She said she could see it in your soul. 정말 따뜻한 말이구나.
She could see it in my eyes? We had not even spoken. We had just sat there.
눈은 거짓말을 하지 않아. She says eyes do not lie. Words can watch in eyes for 17 eyes.
What do you even say to that?
Ticket please. Thank you. Seoul arriving 23:15. Enjoy your journey.
That is almost 2 hours on this train. With this grandmother. Good. Korea at night from a fast train. I have no words. I just want to watch. She is looking at a photograph. Old photograph. She looks like she is remembering. Bio. Oh, is this you? When you were young? And your family? She was so young, and the children are so small, and look at her eyes. Same eyes. Exactly the same.
이 사진은 1975년 거야.
She says this photo is for Hazuko. She visits alone at 70th side.
She travels alone, but does she do this every month?
매달. She says every month for 11 years, since son was already died.
11 months, so her son does not worry. Oh. Here, my family. And here, where I have been. And this, the best food I ever ate. Look!
아이고, 예뻐요.
She says, your mother has the same eyes as you. She says you must call your mother tonight.
Call my mother? How does she know I have not called her recently? How does she know that?
She says she can always tell when a daughter has not called her mother for too long.
Wow. I have not called home in 11 days. How did she know that? Our reflections in the window. 2 strangers, side by side, going to the same city. She just fixed my call out asking. The grandma fixed things, fixed it.
Ha! That is very Korean grandma. She fixes things. She cannot help it. It is what they do.
Hi, Mom. It is Me. Yes, I am fine. I wanted to call. I just wanted to hear your voice. I know, Mom. I miss you too. I'll be home soon. Yes, Halmoni's right here with me.
Why were you traveling alone? The canceled flight, you look so panicked on the platform.
I travel to learn, to see.
Tonight I understand something I was not expecting to understand. Koreans are quiet on trains. We do not talk loudly, we respect other passengers. It is very important here.
But Halmoni talked to me. She offered sweets, she fixed my collar. She was the least quiet person here.
Her generation is different. They grew up with very little. They share everything. They cannot not share.
Cannot not share. She literally cannot help it. Like fixing my collar, she just has to.
먹어요. More food? You brought homemade food on the train?
Jinho, what is this? What is she giving me?
John! Korean pan-fried rice cake! Oh, homemade John from a grandmother is the best food in Korea. Lucky you!
She made this at home and brought it on the train for herself, and now she gives it to me? It is warm. How is it still warm and so soft inside? And the taste, it tastes like someone cared about making this.
잘 먹었어요?
Say this. 잘 먹었습니다. It means I thank you food. Very important. 잘 먹었습니다.
Like that?
잘 먹였습니다, 할머니. 잘 먹였습니다.
잘했어요. She patted my hand. Just once. Like, well done. Like, she was proud of me. I felt it. Seoul! The lights, so many lights. The whole horizon is the city.
서울이에요.
My stop is first. Yongsan. I am getting off before Seoul Station. It was nice to meet you, Sophia.
Yeah, thank you for everything tonight, for translating. You helped me so much.
She says, be careful. Eat properly. Call your mother. That is what she said to me. Every Korean grandma says the same three things.
Call your mother. That is beautiful. Jinho is gone. Just us again. No words. But it is different now. The silence is different.
한강.
Han River.
한강, the river through Seoul.
Beautiful. Thank you, Halmoni. Thank you for showing me.
Seoul Station, 2 minutes. 서울역.
Seoul stands. This is it. We are here. The journey is almost finished. She is packing. The journey is ending. I do not want it to end. That is strange. I did not expect that. Seoul, we are here. We made it. Both of us. 2 strangers on the last train to Seoul. I do not know what to say. We spent 2 hours together. And I have no words. No Korean words. 감사합니다, 할머니. 잘 먹였습니다. 안녕하세요. Everything I know, all of it for you.
잘 가요. 엄마한테 전화해요.
She did not look back. She just walked. Like she knew I was watching. And that was enough. So I did a line here. And now I am here, that train. Something small and enormous at the same time.
Korean train vocabulary. I am teaching. Sophia said I was helpful. I agreed. Let us start. Ready?
Platform. The platform is where you wait for your train. I found platform 3 with 4 minutes to spare. Platform! Cancelled. Cancelled means stopped. Not happening. My flight was canceled tonight. Cancelled. Cancelled! Say it!
Connection. Connection means feeling close to someone. Sophia and Halmoni, no shared language, but total connection. Connection!
Korean phrase, 감사합니다. It means thank you. 감사합니다. Say it with me. 감사합니다. Story words, platform, cancelled, connection. 감사합니다. Comment below, have you ever connected with a stranger without shared language? Tell me, I want to read every one. Hi, Mom, it's me. The train was nice. I met a sweet grandmother. She was in seat 12B.